If you're tired of trading time for money, then this video is for you. Selling digital products allows you to create something once, yes, only one time. And with the right setup, you can keep selling it over and over, generating income while you sleep. You can work on your own terms and potentially build a steady stream of income. Now, let's face it, traditional businesses require a lot of upfront investment and constant hustle, but digital products, they're the complete opposite. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika and thanks for watching, and I'm really grateful for your support. Today I'm going to be going into something super exciting: passive income with digital products. Passive income, specifically how you sell digital products online as a complete beginner. Yes, you can just be learning about this today and have your digital product ready like yesterday. So here's the beauty. There are endless possibilities for what you can sell digitally. You can sell ebooks, you can have online stores, you can do stock photos, you can do music, and the list goes on. The key is to identify your niche. Something that you're passionate about, something that you're knowledgeable about, and something that people are willing to pay for. So grab your notebook and a pen, because I'm about to break down the entire process step by step. First things first, you need to find your niche. This is basically something that you're passionate about and something that you know a lot about. It could be anything from baking delicious cakes to mastering photography or even helping people to organize their homes. The key thing is to target a specific audience with a problem that you can solve. Here's a fun trick. Think about something people constantly ask you for advice on. So that's a good indicator of a potential niche. Here are a few specific niche ideas, like in the health and fitness industry, in the cosmetic industry, in coaching, or being a digital marketer or an influencer. Next, after you've identified your niche, you want to brainstorm your digital product idea and what kind of value would you offer. Here are some popular options. You have ebooks in the form of guides, you have tutorials, books on specific topic within that niche that you've identified, or you can do online courses. So these are more in-depth ideas on video. So you have video lessons, downloadable resources on specific skills. So if you're in the food niche or the catering, you can do video to give specific instructions that persons can follow. Then you have templates and checklists. Templates and checklists are like time-saving tools that will allow people to achieve specific tasks. So like if you're a teacher, you have teaching templates and teaching modules for different age groups. That's a digital product to sell. Then you have printables. For example, you have planners, cheat sheets, checklists. You have wall art. These are printable too, and these can be related to your specific niche. You also have stock photos. A lot of persons are very good in photography, and you provide excellent photos on online platforms where you can sell them as well. So if you have a creative eye with unique visuals that others can use, this is also a great idea. The possibilities are endless, and this is just starting to pop. No, it's not too late. So you want to get creative, brainstorm something that is unique, something unique to you, something that your audience will love with lots of value, so you can teach somebody something online. So the next step is to create your product. This is where the magic happens. It's time to bring your product idea to life. So for ebook and courses, you want to use design softwares like Canva or you want to hire a freelancer to do it for you. And there are sites online that you can use, like you can use persons on Fiverr and Upwork to do this for you. You also have a great tool that you can use to create ebook, and it's called Book Bolt, where you can put in the details like simple notebooks, puzzle books. You can use Book Bolt to do that as well. And you want it to be visually appealing and very creative. So think about the layout, think about the display, the color, the design, because you really want it to sell. So like for templates and printables as well, you want to use a design software, or you can get somebody to help you. Microsoft Word can also be an option. A PDF downloadable is also an option, but what you want is to make sure it is appealing and it is accessible to the persons who are going to purchase that product from you. Next, you have the stock photos and the graphics. You want to invest in a good camera, because if you're going to do photos, you want good pixels, good lighting, and you want to use a good editing software. And with that, you want to have proper license. So remember, you want to focus on clear instructions, engaging visuals, and make sure it's in a user-friendly format. Your product is a reflection of who you are and your brand, so you want to make it top-notch. Having good quality and providing real value to your audience will create the magic that you need. So step 4 now is to set up your shop online. Now it's time to showcase your masterpiece. There are several platforms where you can sell your digital product. Here are a few of the popular choices. So you have Shopify. Shopify is a very user-friendly platform with built-in e-commerce features. Then you have Gumroad. Gumroad is a simple platform specifically designed to sell your digital product. By now, we're all familiar with Etsy. Etsy is great for selling digital downloadables alongside physical products. You have Skillshare. Skillshare is excellent for video tutorials and educational videos. And this is where you can share your courses. You also have Udemy, where you do the same thing to share your video courses online. And next we have StanStore. StanStore is very easy to use. You just put your products there and they're easily accessible, as well as we have PayIt, and they're very good for downloadables. So these are some of the platforms that you'll put your products on, and these platforms will handle your payment processes, your product delivery. Most of these products, they are digital products, which means once they're purchased, the customers will receive them immediately, and you can immediately download them, whether to your mobile devices or your computer, wherever you want the product. And each platform has their own unique features and their own unique processing fees. So before you begin, you need to see which one of them is more suitable for you and more cost effective. Then we move on to step 5, which is pricing your product. So once you've created your product, how much are you going to sell the product for? What's the cost of your product? And this can be a little tricky, and you have to consider some factors or multiple factors. So you want to consider the value that you provide. How much will the product improve someone's life? Based off the value, then you want to set the price off that. Then how much time and effort did it take you to make? You want to make sure that you're getting value for your money. So you don't want to spend a long period of time producing something that costs $20. So in that case, you want to start with a competitive price based on data sales. So now we look at how you make $1,000, at least $1,000 per day. So if you have a low ticket item, which is like for $27, you will need to sell at least 38 of these items per day to reach your target of $1,000 per day. Or if you have a medium ticket item and you're selling this for about $197, you'll have to sell at least 5 of these items per day to reach your target of $1,000 per day. For tickets that are like for $497, you want to sell at least 2 per day to meet your target goal of $1,000 per day. Or you can have a ticket item for $1,997 for the day, and you only want to make one sale, at least a sale per day to meet your target. And you can have multiple levels of ticket items. So you can have a low level ticket item, a medium ticket item, and you can have a higher ticket item, which is much more expensive. It is dependent again on the value that you offer. Isn't this awesome? Write 1K in the comment below if you think this is possible for you. I also have a free downloadable, which is a digital product, in the description below. It will give you a workbook as well in relation to this video. It will give you the breakdown and the instruction as to how you create your digital product. So you can follow the guidelines and feel free to create your digital product to reach your goal of $1,000 per day. So that's the mission. I'm on the mission and I'm sharing my resources with you right here. So go ahead and grab it. And in the meantime, hit the subscribe button below. So now we're on to step number 6, where you have to market your product. You've built a fantastic product, but nobody knows about it yet. Don't expect people to magically find your amazing product that you've built. So you have to build your audience online by creating valuable content along with the one that you have for sale online. So you want to use different means, like you want to use social media. So you'll be using your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube page to spread the word about your product. Share valuable content in relation to your product and your niche and promote yourself on social media. Also, you can collaborate with other creators within the same area or from different niches, so persons are aware of what you're selling. You can also do this by email marketing. So you want to build your email list, keep building your email list, and send out newsletters to the persons on your email list, offering them your product, your valuable tips, and your exclusive offers. Now we're on to step 7. After you market your product, then you want to deliver your product. Someone purchases your product, they'll receive a downloadable link where they can access your product online. You want to make the delivery process as easy as possible. So once that product is purchased, they should be able to get access to the product that they've purchased from you. So you want it to be hassle-free. The beauty about digital product is that the process is automated, which means once the purchase is done, the product is delivered immediately to the customer. Sometimes you can also interject by sending it to their email. So if it's not downloadable on the spot, you might indicate that you sent it to their email for easy access. So after all that is done and you've made your sale, you've made your $1,000 per day, now you want to analyze and assess what you've done. So don't just set it and forget it. You have to keep analyzing so you can increase your income online. So you want to track your sales data. You want to see what is working from what is not working. So if you have 4 products and 2 are selling and the other 2 are not selling, maybe you want to rename the product. You want to change your approach to the product, or probably take away those products and focus on the ones that are making you sales. So you must analyze your business and what you're doing. You also want to look at customer feedback. What are your customers saying about the product? Are they being critical about it? If you need to do a better job in the delivery, maybe you can make those adjustments based off the feedback. There are lots of analytic tools. You want to make use of these tools. These tools will tell you where your customers are coming from. It will give you details as to the age group that they're in. How are they purchasing? Are they purchasing in the night when you're asleep, or they're purchasing while you're awake? The analytic tools give you a lot of details, and you want to look into these details to see how you can capitalize on more sales. From the analytics tool, you can develop marketing strategies to have bigger success. So instead of making 1,000 per day, now you're making 20 to 50,000 per day. And yes, it is possible. It takes time, but it is more than possible. And that's where we want to get lots of sales. You also want to get testimonials from your customers. When persons are able to see person giving a review about a product and somebody talking about the product, how great it is and how it has changed their life, people like to see other persons giving testimonial about the product. At least you would want to know, how is it? Is it good? Is it helping you? So testimonials is another great way to analyze and to help with your business. So there you have it. I've given you the step-by-step guide to selling your digital products online and building passive income stream, making at least $1,000 per day. So let's do this together. I'm doing it. You can do it too. Remember, success takes time and it takes effort, but with right dedication and a sprinkle of marketing magic, I can turn your knowledge and your passion into a thriving online business. Now go out there and create something amazing. We all have something to offer, and we want to put it out there so that we reap the benefit of earning cash online. Leave a comment in the description below letting me know what digital products idea you're most excited about creating. And don't forget, remember to download your free guide to assist you in creating your digital product. Thanks for watching. Bye.